In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to text or words in Elementor, a simple trick that makes your website more interactive and user-friendly. Start by logging into your WordPress site and go to the Pages section. Here, you'll see all your existing pages. Pick the page where you want to add your link and click Edit with Elementor to open the page editor. Once your page is open, find the Text Editor widget. You can use an existing one or drag a new text editor from the sidebar onto your page. Type or paste the text you want to turn into a link. Next, highlight the specific word or phrase you want to make clickable. Look at the toolbar above the text editor and click the link icon. It looks like a small chain. A field will appear where you can paste or type the URL you want your visitors to go to. Double-check that your link is correct to avoid broken navigation. After adding the URL, hit Update or Publish to save your changes. That's it. Your selected text is now a clickable hyperlink that will guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. And that's how you add a link to text in Elementor. Feel free to experiment with other features to make your pages even more interactive. Share this video and subscribe for more easy web design tutorials.